Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about stock market investing. We're going to go over my stock portfolio over at Robinhood. I'm going to disclose the capital that I have in the account. I'm going to disclose my investments, and I'm going to show you guys what my stock portfolio pays me every single month. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sanchez. In this channel, we talk about how to save more, how to make more, how to invest more money. So one day you could live financially free and live life on your own terms. You can start by subscribing now. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell. That way YouTube notifies you every time I post an amazing video like this one. All right guys, so Robinhood is a mainstream investing app or website where you can invest money in the stock market. Robinhood is an amazing platform because it's just super simplified, and what makes it super easy is that you can start investing almost immediately. There are so many other platforms you can use to invest in the stock market, but if you're a beginning investor or you're just someone that wants to use an app, someone that wants to be able to invest with their phone, I highly encourage a lot of people to download the Robinhood app, because no matter where you are, you'll be able to invest and watch your money grow year after year. So if you guys don't have a Robinhood stock market and investing account yet, Robinhood does a promotion where you're allowed to refer a friend, and when you refer a friend onto their platform, not only do you get a free stock, but your friend gets a free stock. So if you guys want to get a free stock today that's worth actual money, go down in the description, click the Robinhood link and sign up, and both you and I get a free stock. Now it's time to disclose my Robinhood investment account. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually a real estate investor. I save most of my money so I can invest in real estate. I like the stock market, but I personally love real estate. But although I invest in real estate, Robinhood just makes it super easy for me to invest, and I do enjoy investing in the stock market. So in my Robinhood account, I have $23,926 and 23 cents. Now $23,000 isn't really a lot of money, but I invest in Robinhood when I can, every now and then. I just save most of my money so I can put it in real estate. But I love investing in the stock market because then I can diversify my portfolio, and it's cool because you get to see your money grow and you literally put the money in and pretty much forget about it. So I do want to disclose that the stock market has been booming. It's been doing really good ever since 2010, 2011 to now. The last decade of investing has been amazing for any investor investing in the right stocks, and the returns I've seen is because we've been on a steady bull run meaning that the economy's been good. So my portfolio would probably be less money if I had invested in 08, 09 when the stock market crashed, but again, I've been investing in what has pretty much been a bull run. So within the last year of my Robinhood stock portfolio, my portfolio has managed to grow $3,302.93, making me a return on investment of over 16%. For those of you that don't know what return on investment means, it means how much money you get from your investment, how much interest, how much profit that investment is paying you, and it's usually measured over 1 year span. So for example, if you were to invest $1,000 into the stock market and 1 year later your stock portfolio is worth $1,100, well, you just made a 10% return on investment, and you figure that out by doing what you profit divided by your initial investment. Anytime you can get 16% return on investment from any investment you do, you are winning. I personally can say I only started investing in the stock market 2 years ago, so I haven't been able to reap the full benefits of the last 10 years of the stock market. The stock market on average has been able to make investors anywhere between 7 and 10% on their money year after year. So a 16% return on investment is very, very high. It's above average, but that's how the stock market works. Some years you make money, some years you lose, some years you make a lot of money, some years you lose a lot of money. But over the long term, it's managed to make a lot of people very wealthy because an 8% return on investment compounded year after year for 30 years results in a lot of money. If you guys are wondering what compound interest is, I suggest you look it up. Albert Einstein calls it the eighth wonder of the world. It helps you understand how wealth is built and how you or the average person can do it themselves. So if I were to spread out the $3,300 that I made in my Robinhood stock market investing account over 12 months, that's an average of $275.24 per month. Now I could go deep into detail of what I invest my money in, but I pretty much invest my money in companies I believe. I never suggest you invest in companies you don't know about or you do not believe will succeed in the future. I invest my money in stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Home Depot, McDonald's, Alibaba, and most importantly, most of the money I invest in the stock market, I just put it in the S&P 500 index fund, because to me, that's the safest investment you can make within the stock market. It's pretty much one stock that lets you invest in the 500 largest companies in the US. So if you want to invest in Amazon, Microsoft, ExxonMobil, Apple, and just all those big companies that run the US economy, then I suggest investing in the S&P 500. Now the $275 a month with Robinhood is not quite $300, so I did want to include my other stocks that I own within another investment account. It's called Vanguard, and in Vanguard I invested $500 in one single stock, and it's called the Vanguard Growth ETF, ticker symbol VUG. I put $500 in that account, and I realized that I made a 23% gain within 1 year of owning that stock, which made me $155. And if I add those $155 to my total stock portfolio, that's $288.16 per month. And I figured that $288 a month was not impressive. I had to hit the 300. I added my Marcus by Goldman Sachs savings account anytime I'm saving money to invest for my next big purchase. So I looked over my Goldman Sachs yearly statement, and I made $230 just from letting my money sit in their account. Now $230 is nothing to be bragging about, but comparing my online savings account to my Chase account, my online savings account made me like 1.7%, while my Chase savings account made me like 0.001%. So here goes a pro tip: if you guys want to save money, do not put it in a Chase savings account or a big bank. They'll give you the lowest rates, so you're pretty much giving them your money and they're gonna go invest it and make money, but they're not giving you anything. So I suggest you go to an online savings account where they sometimes give you 2 to 2.5%. Again, it's not much money, but if you are saving for a big purchase, it will help you with inflation, to say the least. That is my quick plug-in for Marcus by Goldman Sachs. After I add up my 3 small accounts, I was able to make $307.34 month after month for the last year. Again, this video is not to show off, because $307 a month is quite honestly chump change for a lot of people, and it's not something that's going to change your life. But if you open up your mind a little bit and you start wondering what $300 can get you every single month, whether that's money on food, money to go out and have fun, or to some people that's their monthly car payment. So that had me thinking. I wanted to open your mind up a little bit. I went online, I looked for a brand new car. Now let's be mindful, it was not a Lamborghini and it wasn't a sports car, but I was able to find a brand new 2020 Chevy Malibu that you can finance for roughly $306 a month. So $300 a month is not much, but $300 a month pays for your car. So you're pretty much able to pay for your car note using your passive income that you don't really have to work for. It's just money that makes you money. And to me, that's something that makes investing so awesome, so cool, and it just gets me excited to invest, gets me pumped up, even though sometimes you don't have the motivation or you think that the process is taking forever. But you got to remember, this is a long-term game, and little by little, it'll start paying more of your lifestyle, and then one day you'll be able to hit that day where like all your investments pay for your lifestyle, pay for your car, pay for your mortgage, pay for whatever it is you want to do. I hope me going over my stock portfolio kind of helps you and pushes you to start investing. There's so many ways you can invest. I invest in real estate, higher return, but it's more hands-on. The stock market is awesome because you can make a lot of money as well. If you don't want to worry about fixing up a place, worrying about tenants, stuff like that, then I suggest you invest in the stock market. It's super easy once you start learning, once you learn the lingo, the terms. Anyone with a smartphone can start investing right now. I really hope this video motivated you guys to open up your account, start depositing money, start investing, start seeing that money grow. Your stock market portfolio will go up, it will go down, it will go up. It'll be like a roller coaster, but over the long term, if you focus on the long-term results, you're gonna make money. As long as you're doing your due diligence and you're investing in companies you truly believe in and companies that will not go anywhere anytime soon. So with that said, don't forget to gently destroy the like button, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, investing can be risky, but the biggest risk in life is not investing at all. So please guys, do your due diligence, watch some more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.